Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Plus Automation. Today we are going to learn number system in digital electronics in a very simple and easy way. In this video, you will understand what number systems are, why computers use binary numbers, and how decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal systems work. So let's start. What is a number system? A number system is a method used to represent numbers using a specific group of symbols. For example, in daily life we use digits from 0 to 9 for counting. In digital electronics, number systems are very important because computers understand numbers only in digital form. They help in logic design, data storage, and information processing inside the CPU. Simply we can say, number systems are the language used by machines to communicate. Concept of base or radix. The base, also called radix, means the total number of digits available in a number system. Decimal system has base 10 because it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. Binary system has base 2 because it uses only 0 and 1. Octal system has base 8 using digits 0 to 7. Hexadecimal system has base 16 using digits 0 to 9 and letters A to F. The radix tells us how many symbols are allowed. 4 pillars of number systems. There are 4 main number systems used in digital electronics. Binary system with base 2. Octal system with base 8. Decimal system with base 10. Hexadecimal system with base 16. Each system has its own purpose. Humans mainly use decimal, but computers use binary. Decimal system. Decimal system is the number system we use every day. We use it for counting money, mathematics, and measurements. It contains 10 symbols from 0 to 9. Each position in a number has a weight based on powers of 10. For example, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and so on. Decimal expansion example. Let's understand with an example. 345. 3 is in hundreds position. 4 is in tens position. 5 is in ones position. So it becomes 3 multiplied by 10 power 2 plus 4 multiplied by 10 power 1 plus 5 multiplied by 10 power 0. When we add them, the result is 345. This is called positional value. Binary system. Binary system is the language of computers. Computers work using electricity. Electricity has two states. On means 1. Off means 0. So binary uses only 2 digits. 0 represents low voltage. 1 represents high voltage. Using only these 2 values, computers store and process all data. Binary terminology. Now let's understand some important binary terms. Bit means binary digit. It is the smallest unit of data. Nibble means group of 4 bits. Byte means group of 8 bits. Byte is commonly used to measure storage. Word means a group of bits handled by CPU such as 16, 32, or 64 bits. Octal system. Octal system has base 8. It uses digits from 0 to 7. Digits 8 and 9 are not allowed. Octal system helps to write long binary numbers in a shorter form. So engineers can read numbers more easily. Octal and binary. Octal and binary are connected. 2 power 3 equals 8. That means one octal digit represents 3 binary bits. For example, octal 7 equals binary 111. This makes conversion easier. Hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal system has base 16. It uses digits 0 to 9. And letters A, B, C, D, E, and F. These letters represent decimal values from 10 to 15. This system allows large numbers to be written in a compact way. Hexadecimal usage. Hexadecimal is used in many real applications. Memory addresses inside computers are written in hexadecimal. Web designers use hexadecimal RGB color codes. One hexadecimal digit represents 4 binary bits. For example, hex F equals binary 1111. Positional value formula. The value of any number depends on digit position. Formula is digit multiplied by radix power of position. Each digit has different weight depending on its location. Same digit can have different values at different positions. Why binary? Hardware efficiency. Binary system is simple. Electronic circuits easily detect 2 voltage levels, high or low. This makes systems reliable. Even with noise or interference, it is easy to identify 0 and 1. Binary also reduces errors during data transfer. Why binary, logic and storage? Binary perfectly matches Boolean algebra. Logic gates work using true or false conditions. On and off switches create complex logic operations. Also, data storage devices work better using two magnetic directions. That makes storage stable and scalable. Real-world applications. Binary system is used inside microprocessors. RAM memory uses binary addressing. Digital displays use binary signals. Networking systems like IPv6 also use hexadecimal to manage large addresses. So number systems are everywhere in digital electronics. Summary. Let's quickly revise. Digital systems use binary because it is simple and reliable. Radix tells how many digits are used. Octal and hexadecimal are short forms of binary. Digit position decides number value. Understanding number systems is very important for digital electronics and PLC programming. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. Follow Tech Plus Automation for more technical tutorials. See you in the next video.